Look at these two eyes. Both are lash lifts, but can you spot the difference? The left side is a traditional perm, often look dry, crispy, unpredictable. The right side is a Korean Keratin Lift, glossy, hydrated, and healthy. In this video, I'm going to review the chemistry secret behind the K-Beauty Lift and how you can achieve this premium result using the Ciula system. To understand the difference, we must look inside the lash. Traditional perms use the harsh chemicals that force the cuticle open aggressively. This leads to the moisture loss. The Korean methods focus on the gentle reformation. Instead of breaking the bonds violently, they soften them using the milder ingredients such as Cisteamine. Think of it like this. Traditional is like bleaching the hair. Korean lift is like deeping condition treatment that also curls. Let's compare the process. The first, the shell. Traditional use the round rod for a tight curls. The Korean style use the L-shaped shells to lift the root, making the eye look bigger, not just curlier. The second, placement. Stop applying solutions to the tips. That's why they're fried. In the Korean method, we focus on the root zone only. Third, conditioning. This is a game changer. We don't just tint, we infuse keratin immediately after neutralizing to seal the cuticle instantly. Now let's test the texture. Watch when I peel off the shell. The lashes are bouncy, not stiff. They separate effortlessly. When I brush through them, listen, silence, no crunchiness. And look at the shine. That is a glossy finish clients pay double for. This isn't just a lift, it is a lash therapy. So, who should learn this Korea technique? First, salon owner. You allows to charge premium prices for a keratin treatment. Second, freelancer. It's build loyalty. Clients come back because their lashes stay healthy. Third, mom or students. It's a clean service. No film, no mess, perfect for a home studios. And if you want to upgrade your menu, the Ciula Gentle Lift Kit is formulated specified for this technique. Ready to leave the crispy lash area behind? I linked the full Korean Lash Lift Kit in the description. It includes the keratin boost you need for that glossy look. Link here to watch the next video. See you there!